Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Vidya S. Gurav, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies at DKTE Society's Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji, which is a renowned autonomous institute accredited with NAC A+ grade. Today, I am here to discuss career opportunities available after pursuing post-graduation degree of MBA. Before I proceed, let us introspect some general questions. We all know the greatest epic Mahabharata. The prominent question is, being less in number, how could Pandavas win the war of Mahabharata? We have all heard about King Chandragupta Maurya. How could Chandragupta Maurya, with the guidance of great Chanakya, become one of the renowned king? To talk about the most eminent personality, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, how could he create the greatest history in India? It was all about some questions we had from the history. Now to talk about the present scenario of 21st century, what are the mantras these companies follow to be the biggest brands today? Here it is, the answer for all these questions. 1. Value-based leadership. 2. Proper administration. And 3. Application of best management skills. These are the 3 pillars to have success in life. If you would like to learn the said mantras and are ready to mold yourselves in the right direction, here is the solution. Join the post-graduation course of MBA, which means Master of Business Administration, which will surely help you to make your dreams come true. The curriculum of MBA facilitates you with all these mentioned qualities to become successful. The graduates are always in the state of dilemma of what next. They either think of doing job or start own business or else join the post-graduation course. Neither of these are easy to achieve in this competitive world. What I feel is, to get the best suitable job or to become the successful entrepreneur, come and grab the opportunity of doing the post-graduation degree of MBA, which will really help you to brighten your career with full of satisfaction. Well, to add, I would like to inform you that any graduate can pursue MBA. This post-graduation degree offers specialization as per the interest of the candidates. There are some entrance tests which candidates have to give to get entry into MBA. Some of them are state level CET, CMAT, etc. Now, let us have a look on why a candidate should choose MBA as the best post-graduation course. Here are the reasons. MBA provides an opportunity to improve personally desired credentials. Various career options are available in the field of management after doing MBA. Required management knowledge and technical skills are molded through this course. This course prepares the candidates to face the interviews successfully to get the jobs. MBA offers an opportunity to increase in earning power. This prestigious course inculcates value-based leadership qualities in the candidates. MBA is the best suitable course which motivates the candidates to become successful entrepreneurs. So, in just one line, we can say that MBA does not get you only a job, it gets you a career. MBA program offers specializations in many fields. The major fields of specializations are marketing management, financial management, human resource management, IT and systems management, production management, agricultural business management, textile management, healthcare and hospital management, international business management and family business management. Department of Management Studies at DKTE Societies Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji offers dual specializations. That means a candidate can pursue MBA with 2 specializations. Now, let us have a look on opportunities available after MBA. After completion of MBA, one can start own business and become successful entrepreneur. Or there are various job opportunities available in different management fields. A candidate can get jobs in the field of marketing, in the field of finance, in the field of human resource management, in the field of operations, and in the field of systems management, and many more. In the field of career, sky is the limit if MBA is completed with full dedication and hard work. To make your dreams come true in your career, join MBA course now. At the end, a glimpse of Department of Management Studies at DKTE Societies Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji. The strengths of our department are: we have achieved more than 80% qualitative placements in last some years. We have MOUs with renowned industries and hence have the best institute-industry relations. We are dedicated towards event-based conducive learning which give hands-on experience to the students. Eminent corporate leaders continuously bless our students with their thought-provoking lectures. Students in our institute have an opportunity to learn in Rajwada Palace with fabulous state-of-the-art infrastructure. DKTE Societies Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji is NAAC A+ accredited autonomous institute. On behalf of DKTE family, I invite you all to visit our institute and give us the chance to welcome you. For any query regarding MBA, please visit Department of Management Studies at DKTE Societies Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has rightly said, "Don't dream when you sleep. Rather, your dream should not let you sleep." So, to make your dreams come true in your career, think properly and take action. Thank you so much.